My name is Rochelle Castro, Principal Lawyer of RC & Co Lawyers. We often act for persons or owners of properties who either have been affected or who have caused or who have been alleged to cause water leaked from their property, or what is known as water leak disputes. Section 16 of Water Act 1989 requires that a person must not cause unreasonable water to flow from their property onto another land. In instances where an owner has obtained relevant expert reports that prove that water is coming from another's land, it often gets unraveled and a dispute arises. We believe that it should be managed well for a time-efficient and cost-effective way of resolving the dispute, because at the end of the day, it's all about stopping the water leak from causing further damage. If you have any matters that you would like to discuss with us that relates to water leak disputes, we are happy to help and present you with the best legal option and solution to that issue. My name is Rochelle Castro of RC & Co Lawyers.